So this is like the first page when you log into our website. And now I'm gonna explain about how to use our platform coodle. So at first, you can manage the classroom, and also you can create your own classroom by running the whole session and doing the lesson. And also this is the sample of our demo version of our classroom. And now I'm gonna click some uh, this AI literacy teacher classroom. So teachers can create their own classroom in here, and also they can assign the materials, and also they can see the leaderboard of the whole classroom. And this is like the materials, the teaching materials that teacher already assigned in here. So I'm gonna show you a brief version of our teaching materials. So it's like courses of teaching AI literacy for teachers. And we have various activity like teaching materials and PDF for doing the lesson. And also we have a quiz activity or activity sheet or board activity. So teachers and students can discuss about the lesson topic, and they can leave the comment. They can leave the comment about the lesson topic. So like the screen, as you can see, this is like a teaching materials, so teachers can send the conceptual thing to students. And also this is like interactive teaching materials. And also we have a board activity. So teachers can leave the comments of students' answer. And also they can leave the emoji in here. And they can discuss about the lesson topic. And also we have a quiz for quiz activity. So like there are various quiz type like descriptive quiz or multiple choice quiz. Teachers can edit them, and also students can solve the problem in here, and they can check their learning progress. So this is like a dashboard, and all of the quiz can be auto-graded. So teachers can see students' progress and score. And let's get back to the activity sheet. So this is like a similar to Google form, but it's a little bit different because students can leave their answer, and also they can use this AI tutor. So like when students write down the answer and click this AI helper button, then this AI tutor gives personalized feedback to each student. So it's not just a direct answer, it's like a feedback based on each student answer. So it helps students think more deeper about the lesson topic. And also students can leave the self-assessment in here too. And yes, so this is like the sample courses that we already made. And also we have another feature like guide mode and AI mode. So like if you click guide mode in here, when you click this enable guide mode, then this guide mode ensures all members to follow the teacher's progress. So the PDF scroll will be locked, and students can see the pages that only teachers can see. And also we have another another features like whiteboard feature and AI feature. So students, when teachers want to use the AI chat feature, then teachers can click turn on, or if they don't want to use this feature, then they can click this turn off button. So it depends on teacher's need. So when they active AI chat, then students can use the AI chatbot for the whole lesson. Plus, and also we have a real-time dashboard. So when you click the summary tab, you can see the real-time dashboard in here. So this emoji this emoji can will be the student's learning progress. So you can see who is not concentrating or who is concentrating in this classroom. So I think the most of the student now is offline, so you cannot see the learning progress. But when student come into the classroom, then you can see the who is concentrating in here. So this is like the this is like the teaching materials and teaching. This is like the teaching materials and contents that we already made. And also in this classroom tab, you can see the whole student's learning dashboard in here. So when data fills in here, then you can see the average achievement rate of whole classroom. And also you can see by each teaching materials. And also this can be the completion rate and participation. So when sufficient data is collected, then you can review this whole metrics. And also you can analyze this by member. And then now we're gonna move to this content tab. So in this coodle platform, teachers can make their own contents, or also they can edit the contents that we already made. So in this My Library tab, they can create a new content by clicking this button. So like series is like the whole course, whole contents for whole lessons. And the course is like one teaching materials for the one lesson. So I'm gonna show you how to edit the new courses or how to make the new courses. So when you click the making new courses, you can see the whole activity in here by clicking this plus button. And also we have a computer science activity like Python, Scratch, and MakeCode. So like this Python and Scratch and MakeCode, like computer science like this activity because students can solve the Python problem in our platform. So they don't have to go out for doing the Python, for like solving the Python problem. Now, and also each Python activity and Scratch activity and MakeCode activity have the dashboard feature. So teachers can see students' dashboard inside our platform. So like clicking this new activity, then you can create your own activity in here. So if you want to add your own PDF classroom materials, then you can click this create PDF activity button. And also you can upload your own file in here. So like I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you one for example. Yes, so when you upload your own file, then you can create your own AI quiz too. So if you click this AI quiz button, you can create your own AI review quiz based on this your own PDF. So if you click this create button, then AI will analyze this PDF and then they will create a new problem for teachers. So also you can check the problems in here by clicking the shortcut button. And I think the quizzes are created very well. And also you can save it by clicking this complete button. And we have another activity like AI HTML and AI Stockroom. So this is like our own AI feature. So I'm gonna show you about AI Stockroom in here. Maybe this is our most fascinating feature in our platform. So when teacher,
Before you
Mhm.
explain, Soyun, I would like to tell you, like, we've been dealing with number of schools, and when we explained to them the platform, that was, in my opinion, the most feature they are interested in. So I'd like for you all to pay attention. And also later, if you have any questions and opinions about this feature specifically, you can ask us. So go ahead, Soyun. Sorry for interrupting.
No, thank you. So this is like yes, as Sarah told you guys, this is like most important features in our platform. And also they this is like an AI chat environment, and teachers can set up this whole AI chat environment for a classroom. So when teachers write down their own customized text in here, then this AI tutor, AI Socrum AI will help you make a new AI chat in here. And also you can just upload your own PDF file like under the 10 megabytes. And also you can just add your link by set up AI chat environment for a whole classroom. So for example, I gotta choose some file like I'm gonna choose the PDF file, and I'm gonna upload it. Then AI will make the analyze of this PDF file. So this is like the analyze of PDF file, like brief version of analysis. And also teachers can set up the message limit like by 15 times or 20 times. It's based on each teacher's need. And also you can set the difficulty of this text. So maybe I can set up as an hard mode. And this is this, and also you can set up like the like you can set up like use student scores or hide scores. So if you hide scores, you cannot see student scores in here. But when you click the view score button, then student score will be students dialog will be scored by AI. So like this is when you click this preview button, you can see how the chat will be going in here. So like based on this code a good lesson guide, then this AI chatbot will give a question, or they will lead students to think more deeper about the lesson topic. So like this PDF was about how to make a good lesson in our Coda platform. So this AI chatbot give us an answer like, when you think about a really good lesson you've experienced as a student, what exactly made it feel good or effective to you? So like it helps students to think more deeper about the lesson topics. So maybe I can write down the answer like, so when I write down the answer like this, then this AI will lead us to get back to the lesson topic. But when I leave a message like out of the lesson topic like this, then the score will be getting down. Yes, I think the before score was 10 point, but now this is a 2 point. And they lead us to get back to the lesson topic like this. So like clicking the submit button, you can save your whole AI Chrome activity in here. And teacher can also use this for like reviewing the whole classroom, or yes, they use this ISO activity like for reviewing the whole classroom, but they can use it like before they do the classroom, then they can use it for like think more deeper about the lesson topic. So this can be used by each students and teachers by learning the whole lesson. So after this session, I will make you guys your own account, so you can use our platform uh, for about 1 month. So maybe you can use it by your own when I create you guys for your own account. So, and also when you go to contents library, this is our ready-made courses. So now we have courses based on GCSE curriculum and also we have contents based on IB curriculum. And now we're about to expand this contents later when we are going to UAE. And now we're about to adding some new contents in here too. So like most of the contents now is based on GCSE curriculum, but we have UAE curriculum for like Abu Dhabi. And also Zara helped us to make this whole contents in our platform too. So yes, this is our ready-made curriculum. And if you want, you can just add to your own library and you can see the whole courses if you go to library. Yes, I think like this is the brief version of introductory of our platform. And maybe after the session, I will send you your own personal account. And also, yeah.
I just wanted to say, as mentioned earlier, for the content, there are ready-made content that are, can be used directly by the school in the library, but also teachers, or let's say schools, when they use it, they can either make their own content using the features explained, or also edit the content that's already in the library. So if you're wondering about content used within the platform, that's the main thing about it. But also, if you have any questions, Soyin is here to answer. I'm here to answer. I've been working with Team Monolith also for about now 6 months, maybe. So I'll be able to answer your questions. And also, if you have any, let's say, suggestions, opinion, we would love to hear from you, since it's related to your major mainly. And also, knowing, I know some of you are interested specifically in edutech. So reaching out to schools, do you think there are certain features that you thought are, considered main and should be put ahead when we explain this platform to schools? Is there anything that you're still wondering about and would you like to know more? Let us know. You can just open your mic and let us know about it. Anyone, feel free to do so. I know you guys been waiting for this meeting. I've been telling you we're scheduling for it for a long time. So it's your time now. If there's anything you're wondering about. I know some of you also worked on projects for university related to edutech, so maybe you can ask about that. Oh, Ghadir, do you have any question? Go ahead.
I'm kind of having a technical question about the AI models that are used. So I'm not sure if you know this or not, but like, are the models like ready-made, or did they develop their own models for the AI thing in this platform?
I get,
So
yeah.
we use a model based on OpenAI, but we have developers by like 그 자라님 아마 그 개발자들이 maybe Zara will will translate. So 자라님 아마 그 개발자들이 그 환경에 맞춰서 저희가 챗GPT 오픈AI를 쓰고 있긴 한데 그 개발자분들이 커스터마이즈해서 이 에듀테크 그러니까 교육 환경에 맞게끔 커스터마이즈 했다라고.
Okay. So basically, again, Ghadir, I'm not a professional in this, field, but as she explained now, they're using OpenAI. However, it's not used as it is. It's like the developers trained it. I don't know if that's the right term to use here. To fit the edutech environment. And it's something we've been focusing on a lot. You might be wondering, then what's the difference from this and ChatGPT, for example? Here, talking about the feature of Room, for example, it is very limited and trained to be a safe environment, only educational for students. So the base is OpenAI. However, it is trained to be limited here, to chat with the students related to the content you upload, and only about it in an educational manner. So yeah, if you're wondering about the base, then it is Open AI, more of a customized version of it.
Yeah, thank you. This perfectly answers my question. Now it's like more clear about how did
Clear?
they develop their. Yes, thank you.
All right. Anyone else? Do you have any question, suggestion, insight? As someone who's like, studying IT, but also even thinking about using it and implementing it in schools. No, hey Sam, you have a question. They sent it here. Are the requests sent to OpenAI or the local coodle server? Do you have an idea about that, Soyun?
I think maybe I'm not a developer, so I have to check about our developer team. But I think the request sent to our local server. So we have our own local server, like based on AWS. So we have a server based on each country. Like we have a UK server, and also we have a just Middle East server. But Middle East server is currently closed right now because of the political issue. But it'll be open again soon. I think so. So, or I think the request will be sent to our local coodle server.
Any other question? Until you guys think of a question, I'd like to add one more thing. So one of the reasons we focus a lot on the fact that this platform could be used for, computer science or AI education is because I don't know if we showed that earlier, but you can use Python and Scratch, I guess, for programming within the platform itself. So I don't know how it is in university for you guys. Do you download those, platforms separately? But I remember at school, at least there, students will have to deal with platform like Python separately, and then let's say all the explanation and all the material are explained within maybe PowerPoints or like worksheets separately. So one of the features here that could be useful for the teacher and students is that they can, study the material, do quizzes about it, do some worksheet about it, and then have Python where they code and do everything within the platform itself. And also here, while they code, one of the features we talked about earlier are the AI helper or AI tutor. When students do make a certain mistake or error within their code, here the AI tutor will give them feedback regarding it of how they can fix it. Again, here, when I tell you how they can fix it, all the AI features here are trained not to give the answer directly. So it's not like this is wrong, correct it in this way. It's more like guiding the students to reach the correct answer and find it themselves. All right. So it kind of helps with the flow of the lesson, especially when it's related to computer science and coding. Since you can see here, they have everything listed in front of them, like the material, and then they go, practice coding, and then they do some quizzes and back to the practice where it's all guided using the features here. So I know seeing platforms, especially, I know you guys are interested in edutech. The first thing that comes to your head is that how is it different from different platforms? I would say, as someone who's been like, seeing and using, I've been making content using the platform. This is the main concept that is different compared to other platforms. It's not like giving students the answer, but rather guiding them through answering it till they reach it. Okay, so that if you're wondering about this feature as well. But yeah, if you're still wondering about anything, Nadir, do you have a question? Let us know.
Yeah, so like after the students submit their activity, how is like their answer is measured if they performed good or bad? Like, do they compare their answers with like another answer, or does the AI correct it for them?
So like AI will correct it for them, and they will AI have a right answer for the question. So they will lead students to uh leave the answer like close to the correct answer. So when students submit their activity, then the quiz for example quiz activity. So quiz activity will be auto graded, so students can see their result right after when they solve the problem. But like activity like worksheet, then teacher will give them feedback to students. So it's based on teachers' need. So it's a little bit different by activity to activity.
Okay, that's interesting. Thank you.
Yes, and plus also I just shared a screen about Python error helper. So as Jara told you, this is like AI error helper based on a Python problem. So uh, when students execute the whole code, and when there is a error in this code, then this error helper will help student to get to the right code like this. And also students can ask for solution for doing the right code in here. And also there are custom problems when students solve all the problems. So I think I may not be able to answer a highly technical question in detail, but please feel free to ask me anytime if you have any questions about the features or how to use the platform.